Low Voltage Breaker Course Section 8. Arc Protection, AFCI AFDD and Preventing Electrical Fires. Recognizing Fire Hazards in the Wire. Welcome to Section 8. We have protected equipment, MCB, and protected people, RCCB. Now, let's address the leading cause of electrical fires, the arc fault. What is an arc fault? An arc fault is a specific, high-resistance discharge of electricity, a sustained spark or mini-lightning bolt, that occurs within the wiring system. This discharge generates intense heat, often reaching thousands of degrees Celsius. Causes of arcing. Arc faults are often caused by wiring degradation, not sudden shorts. Common culprits include damaged appliance cords, wires pinched by furniture, loose terminal connections, or a nail piercing a wall that nicked the wire but didn't cause an immediate short. The breaker's blind spot. Crucially, an arc fault is not always severe enough to instantly trip a standard thermal magnetic breaker, or even an RCD. The sustained, high-resistance arcing current can persist for long periods, slowly heating nearby insulation and wood. The fire starts here. The localized, extreme heat produced by the arc can ignite surrounding insulation and building materials, leading to an electrical fire that can start inside a wall or within a junction box. Introducing the AFCI AFDD. To combat this hidden danger, electrical codes now often mandate the AFCI, Arc Fault Circuit Interrupter, or AFDD, Arc Fault Detection Device. These devices provide a specialized layer of fire protection. Analyzing the waveform's signature. AFCIs do not simply monitor current level like an MCB. Instead, they use sophisticated digital electronics and microprocessors to continuously analyze the electrical current waveform, listening for the unique signature of a dangerous arc, distinguishing harmless arcs. This technology is smart enough to distinguish a dangerous arcing fault from benign arcs, such as those caused when you switch a light on or plug in a vacuum cleaner. It focuses only on the chaotic, persistent arcing that poses a fire hazard. Parallel versus series arcs. AFCIs protect against two main types: series arcs, a break in a single conductor, like a freight cord, and the most dangerous parallel arcs, arcing between a line and neutral or line and ground wire. Code compliance areas. AFCIs are commonly required in bedrooms, living areas, hallways, and other areas where cords are frequently moved or where extension cords are likely to be used, protecting the vital life spaces of a property. The Modern Protector, RCBO plus AFCI. For comprehensive protection, modern panels sometimes utilize combination devices that incorporate all three functions: arc fault, AF, ground fault, GFC RCD, and overcurrent, MCB, protection, offering the highest level of safety in a single unit. Up next, heavy-duty switching. We have now covered the core protection devices for typical environments. Our next step is to examine the largest low-voltage devices, the heavy-duty, high-capacity air circuit breakers, ACBs.